covering anything. It's right here.
One man, a basic seatbelt stop. But what followed was anything but routine. The moment turned tense, not because of the law, but because of power flexed without cause. Repeated demands, raised voices, and a calm refusal to be bullied. This wasn't about safety, it was about control. Watch how one man stood his ground, demanded a sergeant, and exposed just how quickly a minor stop can turn into a major abuse of authority.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna let this as far as I'm gonna do it. I'm about to get my license and insurance. This is the far as I'm gonna let down my window. I don't know why you pulled me over. All right, well, can you just give me my ticket and we will be on our way? Can I get your name and badge number? All right, here's my license and registration. Here's right here. It's right here, sir. It's right here, sir. I gave you everything you need. It's right here. I'm not covering anything. Here you go. Okay, take the information so I could be on my way. I'm getting tired of being harassed by you guys. Can you call your sergeant? I want a sergeant. I want a sergeant. I want a sergeant. Please call a sergeant. Can you please call a sergeant? I'm being harassed at this point. I'm getting all the evidence.
What?
I'm being harassed at this point because you guys keep bothering me. If it's just basic traffic, seatbelt violation, give me the violation. I'll take the violation.
So everything I've asked for, you've not done. I've asked to roll down the window.
I don't have to roll down my window. No, I don't.
You have to follow
I have to do it for my safety. That's your policy, not the state's policy. Okay. So here's my license. It's right here, right on the video. Here you go. Take my information. Go give me my seatbelt ticket, and please call your sergeant. Please call your sergeant. Matter of fact, call Sergeant Streeter. Call Sergeant Streeter, please.
X-ray force.
I'm tired of y'all bothering me.
I pulled you over. I'm not bothering you.
Well, take my information and give me my seatbelt ticket then, and leave it at that. I'm getting tired of extras, please. And is your camera on? I don't see no light. I don't see no light that your camera is not on. It's not operational.
It's on.
Okay, because I'm gonna need your sergeant and take my. It's right here in your face. Here, I'm not covering up anything. Right here. All right. Get out my vehicle, please. Out my vehicle, please. Like I said, did you call Streeter? Well, call Streeter. I want a sergeant. I want a white shirt. I want a sergeant. Call a sergeant. Call a sergeant, please. Sergeant, please. I've been requesting a sergeant. He will not call a sergeant.
I called dispatch and they haven't.
No, sergeant. A sergeant. I need a sergeant.
I don't call for.
Yes, you do. That's
dispatch.
That's your policy. If I ask for a sergeant or a white shirt, okay.
I dispatch.
I need the sergeant. It's right here. Okay. Here's my information. Take my information and do what you need to do. This is the sixth time in 2 months.
Every time you.
Sixth time in 2 months.
Get pulled over.
Well, like I said, you could have just simply talking about raise down. Y'all don't have to do that. I want a sergeant. Call a sergeant, please. Did you get my information?
Huh?
Did you get my information? You don't need my phone number. You don't need my phone number. This is what you need right here. This is what you need right here. Harassment, straight harassment. My vehicle in my name, license and registration provided. Did a whole U-turn in a construction zone. Whooped behind other vehicles, like swerving behind other vehicles, talking about seatbelt. No, y'all are violating me. Getting tired of it. I gave you I had everything right here sitting in your face. Did you not get my insurance? See, so you trying to get, man, y'all on some bogus. Did you call your sergeant? Call your sergeant. I need your sergeant. I need your sergeant. No, you need to call your sergeant. I need your sergeant at this point. I need your sergeant. Call your sergeant. Call your sergeant, please. Call your sergeant. Call your sergeant. Call your sergeant. Call your head. Please call. No.
I'm not going to call someone.
Call your sergeant.
Standing next to you.
Call your sergeant. You're supposed to. You're supposed to. That's your policy. You are a peace server. All right. Call your sergeant. You're not being a peace server at this point. Call your sergeant. You sit here. You needed my information for a basic seatbelt violation. A basic seatbelt violation. You could have got my information, went there, gave me my seatbelt ticket, and left. You're taking my VIN number now, so you're getting my information. I need your sergeant. I need your sergeant. No, I need your sergeant. I need your sergeant at this point. I need your sergeant. Oh, what the hell going on, man? I'm getting tired of being harassed with this shit. I need a sergeant.
One citation today, seatbelt.
I still want the sergeant here.
Okay, they're on their way. One citation belt, it's only $20 reminder. If you don't wear it, you will get hurt in a wreck. Lately, I don't chop on that. Supervisor should be here.
Next time, conduct yourself better. Y'all got me fucked up. bitch. Got me hella fucked up. It was all he had to do. It was all the bitch nigga had to do. That's it. That's all he had to fucking do. It was mark ass. Bitch ass nigga. When dumb ass niggas think they got something going when they get their shit popped, nigga, you on some other shit. Motherfuckers think they gonna pop somebody on some other shit. What type of shit is that? Nigga, you ain't got no fuck no. No. Nigga, not me. Not me. I ain't going through that. I ain't going through that at all. Alright. Got the, hopefully the sergeant. He's also blocking the road. He's blocking the public roadway. Also, just put that on record. What's up, man? Man, I just want to let you know, man, these officers getting out of hand, bro. They getting out of hand. Y'all done pulled me over about 6 times in 2 months. 6 times, 2 months. Thinking I'm on some other shit. I'm trying to work, man. I got babies and shit, bro. All right? And I hope you know my face. I was one of the guys that chased that white guy that stole our vehicle when I had to find my own vehicle when y'all didn't help, okay? The black truck. When we chased the dude in the black Durango, that was me and my wife, okay? Yeah. I'm getting tired of being harassed. I need help. I'm getting tired of being harassed. I'm doing, like, it's crazy shit. No, I didn't. But still at the same time, he could have, like I got on video. I left my shit right here where you can get my information because I don't trust them. You feel me? Yeah. All right. Simply give me my ticket and I can go on my way. He all around my car, taking my van, doing all this nonsense. Bro, simply give me my ticket if it's that violation. And we'll leave it at that. Plus, he did a whole U-turn in construction. Plus, he's swerving around cars in construction. I'm not doing nothing violent. He doing all this violation shit. I'm tired of it, bro. Alright? So y'all need to do something about these weird ass motherfuckers, bro. I'm getting tired of these weird motherfuckers on my dick. Y'all need to get the fuck off my dick, for real. Alright? And I appreciate you coming. And ain't no ill will towards you. It's dicks like that. You feel me?
Okay. I understand what
I'm just saying.
But I understand what help situation.
But I helped the situation. Simply got my stuff. Bye. Yeah, I get it. I know I fucked up on that end. That's my fault. But simply do your job. Simply do your job. Don't do no extras. Do your job. Don't do no extras. That's it. That's all I'm asking. All right? And I appreciate you. Appreciate it, bro. For real. All right. Motherfucker.
All it took was a $20 ticket, but the officer turned it into a full-blown confrontation. Why? Because control was slipping. This wasn't law enforcement, it was ego enforcement. The man didn't raise his voice for drama, he raised it for justice. 6 stops in 2 months? That's not protection, that's harassment. And yet, with every camera angle, the truth came out. When citizens know their rights, no badge can silence them. Here is another case. What begins as a peaceful moment off the road turns into a heated standoff. A man, confident in his rights, stands firm against officers enforcing an ordinance. Words spark tension, and what should have been a routine check spirals into a fierce battle of law, power, and principle.
Threaten me? I'm going to identify it only because you threatened me with arrest. You made a threat.
A threat because if you do not do something,
unless I've broken a law,
you have committed a city ordinance violation.
A city ordinance isn't violating a crime. It's not a crime.
You're correct.
It is not a crime. Under the state of Florida, I am required to ID if I have committed a crime.
Or a city ordinance, county ordinance.
No, that's not the way the law reads.
Okay, I'm glad you know.
Now, because you're being polite, I will ID to you.
I appreciate that.
You making threats, that, you got the wrong guy for that, because we will take up the difference.
You gotta understand, he's not making threats. He's just telling you that if you do not do it, okay.
And me and the mayor will be having a word before the day's out.
Absolutely.
Because there is nothing that says you cannot park down here and enjoy your time off the road. This is what this is for.
You for parking, okay? For using your vehicle for human occupancy.
And the mayor is very supportive of us enforcing city ordinance violations that he put into effect.
Whiskey.
Well, seeing how you just got done threatening me, now you violated my 4th Amendment, so there are going to be repercussions for this.
Yeah, sir. I don't think you're based for it.
Oh, you can think all you want. What the law says is different.
Okay. Like I said, you've committed a city ordinance violation.
A violation is not committing a crime.
Sorry you feel that way, and I urge you to do some research.
At any time,
sir, listen,
I know that law better than you do.
Okay, I would urge you to do some research after you're done, so that way you can understand.
All right, well, we're gonna start naming badge numbers. Naming badge numbers.
My last name is Real, and my badge is PO 4840.
Thank you for being professional. You.
Sergeant Malky, 4318.
Good.
Thank you.
What was about the C-Stag?
C-Stag.
Okay. Are you the registered owner as well?
Huh?
Are you the registered owner?
No, my nephew owns this truck. Okay. I'm in the process of buying it from him.
Of the truck.
And that's what has me waiting.
Get it back. Excellent.
So you know.
Appreciate that.
Phone call I was on was with the insurance company trying to get an insurance quote on this thing. But I sit out here, this is my time off.
Like I said, based on our observations, this vehicle's been here the last several days. The AC unit's hooked up to the side of it. It's clear that it's being used as human occupancy, which is a violation.
No, this doesn't have AC in it, and I have
Violation of the city ordinance. So that's why we're out here contacting you. It has nothing to do with the fact that you're parked here in this spot. The fact that you're committing a violation of the city ordinance says you cannot use your vehicle as human occupancy.
Well, like I said, it's not. This is my
You put no parking
off
signs
time.
up here in this park. That's the basis for the contact point.
Look, I don't have a problem with the contact. What I had a problem with was a threat.
It wasn't a threat. It was a
That
consequence.
was an outright
You failed to
threat.
identify yourself again. We're not going to sit here and play games all morning.
Who
You
failed to
will be
identify?
your vehicle, and you'll be arrested for resisting.
Who failed to identify? You have my driver's license.
I do
Who
now,
failed
correct.
to identify?
I do now, correct. After I had to ask multiple times.
Well, the bottom line is I have constitutional rights. That is a violation of my Fourth Amendment right. So you want to play this game, we'll have attorneys in it, and I will have an attorney contacting, and I will file a civil lawsuit against Port Orange. And they got the right one. As a driver, I have the means as a commercial driver. I'm the one that runs FEMA in here at every storm. And if you don't remember from the last hurricane, when my truck was over there and the truckload of damn water I brought in, and the people I was carting out for them from over at the trailer park because nobody else could get through there except my damn truck. Yeah, it's convenient that you all don't remember. Now my level of cooperation is not going to be what it was.
So you're going to cooperate.
Well,
As required by law, you will cooperate.
okay.
If you don't, there are consequences.
Well, there's going to be consequences for you for your actions, and you're supposed to be a sergeant, and you don't know the law, but you're going to get educated before this week's out. I promise you.
So since I am a public servant and I'm standing here contacting you, is there anything else I can do?
No.
We're just waiting for Officer Real to conduct the investigation. I get to stand with you when he's done. And
Well, like I said, I don't have a problem with it, but there's a big difference between making threats to somebody, which is exactly what you did. You know it, and I know it, and the video knows
there's
it.
a consequence to your actions.
No, that's not a consequence. That was a threat because you don't have the legal right to identify me unless I am on a traffic stop. I have to commit a crime. A city ordinance violation, as you're claiming, mind you, is not a crime. So therefore,
Spit on me again?
I'm not spitting.
Yes, you are. You have.
I'm speaking.
Okay, so then you need to calm down a little bit.
You're within 6 foot of me. I'm sorry. This is the way I
You
am.
need to quit spitting when you talk to me.
I'm not spitting on you. I can make the same claim when you're talking to me.
There's no spit flying out of my mouth.
There ain't no spit flying out of my mouth. So is there any other false accusations that you want to make? Is your video cam on?
Sure is. Video and
Okay.
Audio.
I'm just making sure because I will FOIA that for the consequences that you're going to have.
Excellent.
He's been perfectly polite and respectful,
Excellent.
and I have no problem with him.
No, you do it under you do it under arrest. Do an arrest, and then, yep.
You're doing a what? Now, you mind explaining that one to me? What that just was?
I told you, as soon as you get to stand with me until he's done with his investigation. As soon as he's done, then he'll tell you what's going to happen.
Well, I'm going to be going to the mayor's office as soon as I leave here.
Excellent. Hey, Tony. Real is? Okay, yeah, he had some questions about the one yesterday. So, all right, thanks.
With badge numbers exchanged and legal threats made, the air hangs heavy with unresolved tension. What was claimed as procedure now feels personal. As the man vows to seek justice, the camera captures more than an argument. It captures a fight for dignity and due process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real stories that matter.